The more I use smart home products, the more I love them, especially robo vacuums, because mopping and vacuuming can be exhausting, and who wouldn't want to just no longer have to deal with it? I think everyone. That's why today we take a look at the 3i S10 Ultra, and this is truly like no other robo vacuum. First and foremost, it has the world's first WaterRecycle system with no manual water replacement or complex installation required. The WaterRecycle system distills wastewater and captures air moisture to produce purified water for cleaning floors, creating an endless supply of clean water. No manual replacement, no need for drainage, which allows for flexible placement anywhere in the house. If you're curious how it works, 3i's products use sub-boiling distillation technology to separate wastewater into wet and dry components. So as moisture evaporates from the wastewater, the remaining solid waste is collected in a dust bag. The S10 Ultra also features a self-cleaning roller mop for smudge-free floors. The roller mop includes 12 spray holes for plenty of water flow and reach. There's a scraper that keeps the roller mop spotless and free of residue, so the roller mop will always be clean for cleaning floors. It also uses sterile distilled water for a germ-free cleaning. The S10 Ultra also has edge mopping. When cleaning along walls, the roller mop automatically extends, improving corner and edge cleaning by 95%. With 330 RPM, the mop boosts cleaning results by 153%, helping remove even the toughest stains. And speaking of stains, the S10 Ultra also has dirt scan cleaning strategy, which allows the robot to see and think for itself with green light and advanced AI algorithms. The green light illuminates liquids, stains, solids, dust, and other debris to reflect distinct light patterns. These patterns allow the robot to identify 68 types of dirt and common objects. There's boosted suction for dust, which is automatically identified and increases suction power. When liquid messes are detected, the robot shuts off the vacuum motor, lowers the water flow, and slows down its movement. And once the mop has fully absorbed the liquid, water flow and movement speeds are restored. Also, if the S10 Ultra detects stubborn stains, it automatically speeds up the roller mop, increases water volume for a targeted and powerful cleaning. There's a dual comb anti-tangle main brush to effectively prevent most hair from tangling. At the main station, the robot reverses the main brush, which activates the detangling comb and increases suction.
Start to clean the hair.
The side brushes are also designed with an ideal anti-tangle shaping. In total, the 3i S10 Ultra is a fully automated design that keeps your hands free. It's self-emptying with a 2.5 liter capacity, which means you only clean the station once every 60 days. A self-cleaning and self-drying roller mop, it automatically adds herbal cleaning solution. Water purification ensures health. Airflow purification prevents pollution. It has privacy protection, is pet friendly, and has intelligent control with AI voice. So if you're ready to hand over the mopping and vacuuming to the 3i S10 Ultra, click the link in the description below and enjoy the convenience. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the setup process really quick. You're going to power on the main robot, then you're going to hold the network button for 3 seconds.
Reset Wi-Fi to enter network configuration mode.
And if you haven't done this already, you're going to scan the QR code with the 3i app, which is going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. So you're going to enter in your network password, and then everything is going to connect and get set up. And now you are ready to begin. The first thing you're going to do is map your space. Another thing you're going to want to do is upgrade your device. It's really quick, simple, and easy. And once you're all upgraded, you're ready to actually start cleaning. So the first use of this was extremely easy and simple. I just sat back and watched and just recorded it doing its thing, and it did its thing very well. It was getting into all kinds of nooks and crannies that I didn't expect it to. And it was really cool too with the way that the roller mop pops out to get like a super flush clean. And if I show you guys right here, these are my before shots, and then instantly you can see after, and obviously the floors look good. So don't forget that there are links in the description to this S10 Ultra. Pick one up. Peace.